course you realize what it is. These are not active aircraft. All things are military style. It's like nothing fancy here. And I assume, that's my assumption, this is a weapon. I don't think this is something friendly. I'm not sure. Or maybe it's something part of the airplane. I can't say. No, it's not a rocket. It's not a rocket because I don't see a way to detach it from the fuselage, from the wings. Okay, they welded this thing. Of course, probably birds or kids were getting inside. So I don't see, unless this is a mechanism, this one comes out, I don't know. Looks interesting, but since it's war related, I'm not getting impressed. I'm just looking at the engineering, and I see this one with four engines. So my assumption, this is a jet engine. It's an assumption, I don't know what it is. And what are those things? I don't know. Maybe they release them. The things, yeah, like they are loaded with things that they drop, because I don't see the purpose. So if I look inside, it's kind of a connector thing. Sonobuoy launch area. Sonobuoy. What it is, a sonobuoy? Sonobuoy. What's the purpose of this airport? Aircraft? I don't know. Oh, you see the variable pitch propeller. So the propeller is twisting. It's a system that adjusts the propeller how to dig into the air, so it makes it efficient when it climbs or when it cruises. Also can help with braking. It seems that he was capable of carrying some things here. Okay, yes. So they were carrying something not friendly, and I see a release mechanism. Spoiler, counterweight, de-icer boot connections. I don't think this is for de-icer. I think it's to hold something not very fun. Bunch of antennas. Like a shortwave antennas. Rather trimmer. Oh wow. Such a big mechanism. Yeah, including these ones. Yeah, so let's check out what this one is supposed to carry. Oh, look at that. That's a freaking... What the heck is that? Microwave thingy? Or it's a light? Because to me it looks like a light. But what that light does? Wow. I see something cool. I think I see something with arching. But why is some electrical mechanism in there? Is that a high power projection arc? So if this one was built in 50s, yeah, it's very possible at the time they did not have very powerful arc. So probably they use arching. Wow. I'm so glad that I made it here. So, but here I see a regular light with a regular filament. So that must be something else. And what it is, because I don't know. So let's see. Is this one? No, it's not that one. Let me see. Maybe it is. CF-121 tracker. Anti-submarine warfare strike search aircraft, which was specifically designed for aircraft carrier operations. There were 100 Grumman models built in 1956 under license by Havilland of Toronto at an average cost of $700,000. That's cheap, really cheap for that time. The truck had a maximum speed of 280 miles per hour and cruising range of 1,300 miles. With a crew of 2 pilots and 2 sensor operators, the aircraft could carry 6,000 pounds of cargo or munitions. The truck proved to be extremely hardy and versatile during its tenure with the Royal Canadian Navy on board the HMCS Bonaventure and later with the Royal Canadian Air Force. So I did not learn what's that thing. It's a light or something? Oh my goodness. So Havilland ordered by Royal Canadian Navy. It was made for anti-submarine warfare patrols flying from the aircraft carrier. Okay, so it was launching from the aircraft, from the aircraft carrier, from the ship. All-weather ASW aircraft packed into its compact airframe. The tracker had lots of equipment to fulfill its duties, including magnetic anomaly detector. Wow! Surface search radar and internal bomb bay for bombs, depth charges or torpedoes, searchlights, sonar buoy dispensers, and wing pylons for bombs and or rockets. So magnetic anomaly detector, surface search radar. Interesting.